afternoon, folks. Big Mo here with another great Class A diesel motorhome value from Parkway RV Center. A little windy out today. I hope you can hear me. But today we got a really good deal to show you. Those of you looking for a bargain in a Class A diesel motorhome with a slide, here you go. Today we're looking at a 2000 model Newmar Country Star, model number 3550. 35-foot Class A diesel with one big super slide, 53,000 miles, local unit, 24,900. Now let me go ahead and tell you up front, folks, this belongs to a good friend of ours. He bought this thing several months ago, intentions of slowing down, using it some, and unfortunately his job and everything else, he just doesn't have time to use it, so we're just trying to sell it for him, get him out of it. So again, this isn't ours, this is his, and just making you clear and all that. So but like I said, for $24,900, heck folks, you're gonna spend that on a darn travel trailer. This unit, 35 feet long, has the Powertech 7 kW diesel generator. It's built on the Spartan Summit chassis. It's got the full air brakes, air suspension, full basement storage, pass-through basement storage. Now folks, this unit has got the 5.9 liter 260 Cummins engine, which I know folks isn't a powerhouse, but it's got the 4-speed Allison transmission. And I've driven this RV, I mean, it'll keep up with traffic just fine. And be honest with you, yeah, it's not going to run 90 miles an hour, but it'll get you to where you're going. And obviously, it hasn't stopped people from using it for 53,000 miles and enjoying it. And it's still got plenty enough torque to get you out in traffic, and it'll keep up with traffic on the interstate and all that. So, and be honest with you, I don't know if it's just us or what, but it seems like the smaller diesels have a lot less service issues than the bigger ones for some reason. 5.9 Cummins, runs and drives great. You can see fiberglass exterior. It's got the patio awning, the door awning, the window awnings. Catoosa County, Georgia tag, of course. Hitch on the back in case you want to tow something behind it. Tires look great. Now folks, it is a 2000 model. It's 19 years old, little bit of clear coat coming off the stripes, a little bit of fading, but show me a 19-year-old motorhome that doesn't have that. And I'm gonna tell you, if you pay somebody to do a good buff and wax on it, it'll make wonders. It'll look totally different. You know, Newmar's a heck of a brand, folks. Got incredible owner loyalty, and they're very well insulated for this age RV. It's got double pane windows, R19 insulation, which back then was pretty high. Windshields look good. I don't see anything to concern you there. That 7 kW Powertech diesel doing its job. Power steps. Let's look inside, get out of this cold weather. As we step inside, folks, original carpet, upholstery, all that. No smoke, no pet odors, and got a great heat in here. The furnace works great. Got leather captain's chairs, very comfortable. They're flex steel. You know, motorhome runs great. No check engine lights, no warning lights, none of that nonsense. Got the 4-speed Allison. Got the HWH hydraulic leveling jacks. All the books and manuals are up front. Spartan, of course, you know, they're not as common as a Freightliner, but they're kind of the more expensive units. The Spartan chassis are. They've got a great ride and drive, probably better than the Freightliner. And you get a lot of storage too without raising much of the overall height of the RV. So you're not sticking up as tall as some of the big ones. But 35 foot actually considered relatively small for a Class A diesel. Got the TV overhead. Look up top, folks. Headliner. Looks pretty good. Got a couple little stains up there, but you know, that's just part of it. It's 19 years old. It's not going to be perfect, but for $24,900, I don't know how you can complain. I mean, this thing is a bargain, folks. You'd be hard. You couldn't find, let me put it to you this way, folks. 54,000 miles, you couldn't find a Class A gas burner with a slide this nice for what we're selling it for. So definitely it's a great buy for what it is. Got a pull-out sofa that makes a bed. Now, the previous owners have added a little electric fireplace, and it works great, looks good, matches. You've got a table and chairs with the, it's got the leaf over there in the corner. Got the original factory sales brochures, day-night shades in all the windows. Big recliner right there. Got Corian countertops. They have put an electric fridge in here, and it works, of course. Got a convection oven, big stainless steel sink with sprayer, countertop extension right here, no stress cracks. Got the plank floor in here, looks great. Original carpet looks great. Mirrors look great. The glass does, nothing's broken in it. No cracks in the glass or anything like that. Fluorescent lighting throughout the entire RV. Got a side mount bathroom. Everything looks good in here. This unit originally had a sliding glass door, but to give themselves a little extra room, they put a vinyl shower curtain, which, you know, if you need the extra room, that makes a lot of sense. And you can look around the skylight, looks good, nothing up there. Rear bedroom, big Queen Island bed, got a ceiling fan up here. Heat and air system works great. A little flat screen TV up in the corner. You can look underneath the windows. I don't see any wrinkled panels, nothing like that. No signs of any like water damage. I don't see anything that would be a concern as far as wrinkled panels or soft spots or anything like that. Everything looks good. No odors in here. That's the main thing when you look at older RVs like this. You want to make sure there's no mold or mildew, smell like odors, you know, moisture odors. There's none of that in here. Bevel glass looks good behind the bed. Got nightstands on each side. Got a little quilt on the bed too. I like that. I mean, lots of closet space in here. You know, with this particular floor plan, you've got a side enclosed bathroom, which is really nice because if somebody's in the restroom, they're not blocking access to any part of the RV. Not bad, folks. Like I said, it is, for what it is, this is a great buy. And it's only $24,900. $24,900, will trade, haggle free, of course. And I know this isn't our unit, folks, but we're still going to make sure and show you the generator works, the heat and air works, and the fridge works. And it runs and drives like it's supposed to. This thing drives great. I've driven it myself. I don't think it's you'll have an issue with it as far as running and driving. Hits the road great. And you'll love that Spartan Summit chassis. Both these sweet seats, of course, swivel for party seating. Little fireplace just adds a nice little residential touch to it. $24,900, will trade. And we'll show you all those major systems work. If you've got a question, folks, our phone number is 706-965-7929. We will still take a trade-in on this. So if you've got a trade, even though we're selling this for somebody else, we'll try to work out a deal on a trade. 706-965-7929. You can email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. And, of course, check it out at parkwayrvcenter.com. Got a great selection of used Class A diesels. Don't believe this one's going to last very long for this price. I mean, it's just a heck of a deal. This is something that's going to last you a long time if you take care of it, folks. You take care of this RV, it'll take care of you, and that's the benefit of a diesel motorhome, folks, over gas. You've got something that literally you can't wear out. You cannot wear out that motor, this drivetrain, the running gear, and it's a way more heavy duty than a gas engine or a gas RV. Plus, it's quieter going down the road because the motor's in the back, not the front. Generator. You got the diesel generator. Again, you're not going to really wear that out either. Sony radio. It's just got some neat features about it, folks. Books and manuals are included. Got a little backup camera system right there. Just a neat motorhome for what it is. 24/9, we'll trade. Give us a call. Nationwide deliveries available. Contact us for a quote. We take trade-ins. And yes, folks, even though this is a 2000 model, we do still have some financing available with minimum down payment and approved credit, of course. So if you need financing, folks, give us a call or email us and we'll get that process started. Or visit our website, parkwayrvcenter.com. And I've made it real easy for those of you on YouTube to visit our website direct. If you're watching this video on YouTube, like most of you are, of course you want to click on the like, thumbs up, please, and of course you want to hit the subscribe button. And also, folks, go on to the video description. In the video description, the first paragraph, there'll be a link to our Class A diesel website page. You're going to get a lot more information than what's available on YouTube. I'm going to have specs, weights, tank sizes. I'm going to have pictures. I'll have the factory sales brochure for this 2000 Country Star diesel where you can see it on PDF format. You read that brochure, you'll know more about this RV than anybody. Plus, I'll have trade-in appraisal forms, credit applications, and much more. So definitely check out the website. You're not going to be disappointed, folks. For the money, this is really a great deal. And be honest with you, you know, for those of you who follow my channels, and I love the little Class B camper vans, but a little 19-20 foot Class B camper van will cost you this much with a gas engine. Where you can, for what a Class B van, this year model Class B van or older is going to cost, you can buy you a decked out diesel 35 foot motor home with a slide and a diesel generator. Wow. For what a Class B camper van cost. I mean, that Class B camper van can fit in the living room of this one. Anyway, folks, give us a call. 706-965-7929. Of course, that number's answered 24/7. After hours or answering service picks it up. They can try to help you. If not, they'll get your contact info and forward it to our non-commissioned sales department. Who'll call you back the next business day. Email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. But anyway, folks, thank you for watching my video. You know, we've been in business for 51 years. We're family owned and operated, 3 generations. We're one of the oldest, largest, and most successful independently owned used RV dealerships in the USA. We've got 150 plus used units on the lot right now. More coming in pretty much every day. Of course, they're going out too. We price these things to sell, not sit around. And got some great deals, and we try to carry something for just about everybody's budget. And the good thing about something like this is the way I look at it, folks. Yeah, it's $24,900, and I know there's some of you out there looking to spend $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 for a used diesel. And yeah, that $70,000, $80,000 used diesel may be a few years newer, may have an extra slide or two, may have a bigger motor. But at the end of the day, this motorhome for $24,900 is going to do everything that $80,000 motorhome will do for a fraction of the cost. And so, I mean, that's the way I look at it. RVing is great because it's something that you can get into for a few $1,000s. You know, the sky's the limit. You can spend $1 million, you can spend $10,000 and get you an RV. I mean, it's you know, such a broad range of styles and types of RVs, and you know, when you look at something like this for $24,900, and what you get compared to what else is out there. That's pretty amazing. Anyway, folks, please call ahead before coming to look, because I never delete my YouTube videos because they help our Google search rankings. And plus, other individuals use them for information purposes. So please call ahead before coming any significant distance to look at this RV to make sure it's still available. 706-965-7929. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, call us, email us. Again, nationwide delivery service is available. Contact us for a quote. No commission salespeople. We have no extra fees. You know, we're not like these other RV dealerships that after you make your deal, get ready to sign on the dotted line, here comes dock fees and prep fees and tag and title fees and inspection fees, setup fees, freight fees, all these fees that can add up to potentially thousands of dollars on top of the price. We're not like that, folks. There's no surprises here. We've been doing this for 51 years. We learned decades ago, people like it easy, simple, and done. No haggling, no fees, no commission salespeople. Doesn't get any easier than that to buy a used vehicle. Simple, easy, and done. Thank you for watching my video. Come down, visit with us, folks. Love to meet you. Thank you again for watching. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.